guys, thanks for watching my channel and welcome back. We got another AliExpress haul. This is quite a big haul. I think there's maybe 8 packages here, maybe 9. These are AliExpress all nail items, and let's have a look. Just move some of these over. There's too many of them. Okay, looks like they gave me a little bit of a gift here. I ordered this drill bit just to see how it would work. It's the Black Flame, a 3x32. Looks pretty interesting. And there's a stamping plate. From what I can see, it actually looks kind of scratched, but that could just be the film on top of it. It's got some sunglasses, some lips, hearts. It's even got some crosses on there, if you can see that. And we've got these for chromes, just so I could throw them out. You know, with COVID, we want one-time use items as much as possible, right? Here's package number 1. Oh, there's a package inside of a package. Look at that. It's like when you go, I would go to these birthday parties when I was younger, and there'd be that one person that would rewrap a package like 100 times with duct tape and stuff just to be a pain in the ass, and then put a gift card inside the box. That would piss me off. Anything in this thing? Oh my gosh, all that just for this. So these are little crosses I got. They have a little bit of a curve on them, so they would sit just like right on top of the nail, the apex, which is really cool, I thought. They came in rose gold and just regular gold. You can see. I thought those are really cute. And next, oh wow, that came really fast. This is actually makeup that I ordered from AliExpress. It's the company I actually buy it at Sephora, and I was really surprised that they had it there, so I was going to try it out. This is the Brow Power. It's a pencil, a universal color that you put on your eyebrows, and they sell this at Sephora, and I got it for maybe $5. So I'll give that a shot and see how that works and let you guys know, because that was a really good buy, and I just ordered that, so it came really quickly. Okay, this is some sugaring powder, and from what I remember when I ordered it, they have a different color of iridescence in each of them. So you can use it for sugaring. You can put them embedded in the nails or gels, or just add it to stuff. I love AliExpress. Stronger scissors. Got some more trainer hand tips for my awful trainer hands. Those are like $3 or something. think they were like $3 or $4. These things are strong. Oh, stamping plates. Nope. Okay. Can you see what that is? No, probably not, eh? This one is flowers. Yep. Yeah, flowers. I'll just open it up so you can see it. That's better. Now it's got different leaves and things. That one's got some different kind of patterns. Let's try to get something different because you never know what people are gonna like. This one is my favorite. That's something that I'm gonna be using quite a bit on my own hands. I like the bows, and I like this one here, or even this one like across a nude nail would be really cute. And I have a stamping book that I bought off AliExpress in my other video that I'm going to be putting these in. This one is really cute too. It's in, and I thought this part would be really cool to put like a striping tape across, or like a glitter gel or something like that. Cool too, because you can do like an offset branch or something like that. I like that butterfly on there. Garbage and more packages. These are a set of 10 little trays to put gems and whatever in. They're probably not the best quality, but again, one-time use stuff, so I could disinfect these if they come into contact with anything, right? So we want to be safe and sanitary with everything. Damn it, it's stuck to me. Ooh, I've been waiting for this for a long time. Long time. This is the flower nail duster. It is so soft. I used to brush the dust off of there. It feels amazing, and it's gonna look great on my desk, like in with the brushes and whatnot. Yeah, I like that. Totally cool. And one more, guys. Don't go nowhere. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in here. This is a kind of mixture of different nail art. It's got some rhinestones, some alloy roses, some different kind of pearly gems that you could put on. You could even put some of those little, oh, they do have them, the little pearls in there. That would be cool on one of these nude nails, actually. Got like a gradient kind of going on. There's another stamping plate, and I think I already ordered this one, but I just ordered a second one that's the same as this. I ordered 2 of them. Well, I guess that'll be in one of my giveaways. This one here, just some more kind of alloy art, rhinestoney things. Just different textures that I didn't have yet. I like these mini oils because I have a container that they fit great into. This one's more like a rose gold, different kind of shapes and whatnot. And then I got another one of those sets, but in like a blue color. And there's some more stamping plates. This one's just got some swirls. Looks like I ordered this one again. I guess I just really like it. Is it the same? I don't know, I think it's different actually. No, it's the same, totally the same. So this will also be another giveaway. Look at that. My loss, your gain. This one I've been waiting quite a while. I think this package I've been waiting on for quite some time. That's why I ended up ordering it twice. And this one is really cute. It's got some nice moons in there. And I thought that was going to be really cute. Well guys, that's everything. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like, or even dislike if you don't like it. If there's anything that you guys want reviewed, let me know on the comments below and I will get that done for you pretty quick here. Have an awesome day. Stay safe.